Moi, it's Turku Yoga Guide here. In this session, you will learn Uttana Padasana. That means extended leg pose. And in the previous session, I taught you fish pose, Matsyasana. And that was the pose which strengthened your back muscles. And now in this pose, you will learn how to strengthen your core muscles, Mula Bandha and Uddiyana Bandha. Let's take a look at Uttana Padasana. So once again, start by lying down on your back. Make sure you create some space for your breath in your chest. So try to externally roll your shoulders so your shoulder blades come together. Remember to draw your lower belly and create the pool pose, Tadakasana, with your lower belly. And at this moment, when you have the straight legs on the floor, the lower back might be slightly off the floor. Now bring your palms together so your fingers are pointing diagonally up. Don't lift your shoulders off the floor. Remember, activate your upper body, the upper back, to keep the shoulder blades down. And externally, try to rotate your arms. And now firm your bandhas. So feel how you're drawing your sitting bones together and try to draw pelvic floor in towards yourself. As you inhale, raise your straight legs off the floor and try to let them stay in the same diagonal as your arms. And stay here for 5, 8, or 10 breaths. And this is a pose where you strengthen your lower belly muscles. Try not to arch your back. Try not to press the lower back firmly on the floor. Rather, remember, keep the Tadakasana shape with your lower back, with your lower belly. And keep the breath still happening in your chest. And after Uttana Padasana, just bring your legs down, bring your arms down, and then you are ready to proceed to the next asana. If the Matsyasana, the fish pose, felt very strong already, you can also try to do Uttana Padasana with the arched back. So in here, first place your arms diagonally up and then try to also lift your legs diagonally up. But if you feel too much pressure either on your lower back or in your neck, you need to back off and do the previous option. So keep your backs straight and just try to firm the lower belly muscles. So here you are using the belly muscles instead of your back muscles. And then once this feels strong, then you are ready to arch the back and try to do Uttana Padasana with the arched back. So here you're once again using the back muscles and kind of releasing the lower belly muscles. Press your legs firmly together to activate Mula Bandha and try to draw the pelvic floor in towards yourself to activate Uddiyana Bandha. And then slowly first bring the legs down, place the elbows on the floor, and finally straighten your back and your neck. You might feel a burning sensation in your core muscles when you are practicing Uttana Padasana. But remember, the burning fire in your body, that means that your body is getting stronger and also that you are purifying your body. So that's a good sign if you feel that there is something burning inside of your lower belly. So in the next session, I will teach you some more inversions. Kiitos, moi moi!